For a worldwide logistics partner, operations were breaking down routes, wasted miles, fuel costs climbed, warehouses bled money, and customers were left in the dark. We brought in generative AI to take control. Delivery routes became dynamic, fuel spend dropped 20%, and delays turned into on-time arrivals. Inventory imbalances were eating away at profits. With AI forecasting, demand became predictable, stockouts fell by 30%, holding costs shrank 15%, and fulfillment stabilized. Inside warehouses, manual work slowed everything down. Automation reshaped the floor, labor costs reduced 25%, and orders moved out faster. And for frustrated customers, real-time tracking restored confidence. On-time deliveries surged to 96%, satisfaction scores jumped 35%, and loyalty followed. We turned their logistics into a growth engine. Are you ready to turn yours into the next success story?